Welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for the latest unboxings and honest reviews. Today, I've got something real special lined up. We're unboxing the Air Jordan 5 Retro Black Grape. Right off the bat, the packaging is classic Jordan style, clean, bold, and makes a statement. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. As soon as I lift the lid, you can tell this pair is something different. The black grape colorway is iconic, blending style, nostalgia, and that unmistakable Jordan heritage. With the sleek black nubuck upper and those vibrant grape ice and new emerald accents, this sneaker doesn't just stand out. It commands attention. It's got that retro vibe but still feels fresh and current. Now let's talk a strong visual impact. Comfort is key, and Jordan brand delivers here. You've got Nike's airsole cushioning built into the midsole, meaning if you're a sneakerhead or fashion lover always on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank, then Here's How Are You is a destination you need to know about. This top-tier online store has quickly become a go-to for exclusive sneakers and trend-setting fashion items, offering an impressive range that spans everything from the latest limited edition releases to everyday streetwear staples. What really sets Here's How Are You apart is its commitment to authenticity. Every item is crafted with precision and premium materials, giving you that genuine look and feel without the inflated price tag. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer-inspired apparel, you'll find something that fits your style and your budget. But it's not just the products that shine. Here's How Are You delivers a top-notch shopping experience from start to finish. With affordable prices that won't leave your wallet hurting, secure payment methods for peace of mind, and fast, reliable shipping that gets your order to your door quickly, it's clear this site is built with the customer in mind. Plus, their friendly and responsive customer service team is always ready to help with any questions or concerns. So if you're looking to upgrade your collection, shoes don't just look great, they feel amazing. Every step is cushioned, whether you're hitting the pavement or just flexing at a sneaker event. These sneakers were made for both comfort and show. Let's not forget how wearable these are. The black grape colorway makes it easy to pair with jeans, joggers, or even shorts. Whether you're going for a casual streetwear vibe or stepping it up for something sharper, these Jordans fit the look. This colorway works